Shalom. Kahlan Lai Haba Shmiao Shai. Shem Rakakwadas. Shabbat Shalom. All praises and glorifications go to Yahweh Shmiao Shai. Shem Rakakwadas. Double honors to the elders and the apostles. The great millstone with well. Shalom to the 144,000. The 1/3 minute men, women, children of the hopeful. Let Shalom. That's the brother Gemara Yas coming back at you with another quick lesson. Alright, this is going to be a little quick hitter, Lord willing. Alright, I praise let's be edifying, straight to the point. And we're going to read this article, man. I saw this today, and I'm like, man. Let's read this, man. It's just from the endtimeheadlines.org. It says, China unveils chilling microwave cannon that can down satellites with waves 68,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. And you see it right there. All right, the truck right there. All right, the vehicle. It says, I'm gonna read that in read this in here. It says, microwave cannon powered by 4 Stirling engines. It says the weapon ominous ways to disrupt the satellite electronic systems. Satellite systems is scrambled, disabling it. Anyway, so let's read this. It says, Baofins in China have reportedly cooked up a chilling microwave cannon that can down satellites with waves 68,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. The terrifying weapon is argued by 4 Stirling engines and can reportedly be fitted onto the back of a truck as the East Asian powerhouse flexes its military muscles. And Joel 3 and 9 and 10, man, let's get it. And they are flexing their muscles, man. Hey, Moab is flexing. Man, Moab is really flexing their muscles, man. And these are the times that we in, man. This is Joel chapter 3 and verse 9. Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles. Prepare war. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up. Verse 10. Beat your plowshares and the swords and your pruning hooks into spears. Let the weak say I am strong. And hey, China has really been flexing, man. Amongst Babylon the Great, man. China ain't playing. These so-called Chinese basically is Moab. Anyway. The cooling properties of the Stirling engines will boost the strength of the powerful microwave weapon, with tests showing it consumes just 1/5 of the energy of other systems. China has made similar models in the past, but none that omit this kind of power. And certainly none that has the capability to operate continuously for around 4 hours. Hey, that's the time we in, man. Joel 3, 9, 10 spirit. Let the weak say I'm strong. You see? So they tried, building this type of weapon before, and it didn't, work out in the past. But now, hey. Man. Let's read a little bit more. It says, if the reports are true, then China's high-power microwave HPM weapon will be the first that use Stirling engines technology to be openly revealed to the public, according to the project team, which is led by electronic engineering scientist Zing King. I don't know the person's name. The HPM has a continuous steady state magnetic field with an intensity 68,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. So, man, well, I tell you, to put it into perspective, that's close to half of the magnetic field's strength that can be generated by the largest hydro colander LAC in Europe, the world's largest and highest energy particular colander. With the weapon system capable of being fitted onto a truck, China can quietly and literally station it anywhere they want, offering an endless list of possibilities. Wow. And with it being capable of operating for up to 4 hours without losing power, longer journeys will not be an issue. Hmm. The weapon has jointly developed by the Northwestern Institution of Nuclear Technology in Xing and an Institute of Electrical Engineering in Beijing, the South China Morning Post reports. The project teams noted how current HPM weapons driven by strong magnetic fields suffer from the backdraw of huge energy consumption and large size. Therefore, the Stirling engine are critical because they function as refrigerators, rapidly moving heat away from one location. So there you go, man. Look at that, man. So this thing here can operate with up to 4 hours, man, and it can take down satellites, man. All right. So, man, look, these are times we in, man. So, wow. Anyway, let's go back and read this scripture again, man. I ain't intending to make this too long, man. Joel 3:9. Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty men, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. Beat your plowshares into swords and your pruning hooks into spears. Let the weak say I am strong. These are the times we in, man. Okay? Where these nations are flexing. Okay? These nations ain't never flexed like this before, man. But hey, these are the times we're in. Okay? Verse 11, assemble yourselves and come, all ye heathen, and gather yourselves together round about. Hither cause thy mighty ones to come down, O Lord Yahweh Shai. Verse 12, let the heathen be wakened, and come up to the valley of Jehoshaphat, which means Yahweh judges. For thou will sit to judge all the heathen round about, man. Alright, where China got the hypersonic missiles, and, man, Babylon the Great is through, man. They can take down satellites. And look, Moab can take down satellites, man, and render America, Babylon the Great, vulnerable. If that happens, America, Babylon the Great is vulnerable, man. Prone, vulnerable to attacks without ever even noticing. It's over, man. Okay? And you know, if that happens, well, these missiles gonna catch Babylon by surprise, man. The destruction of Babylon is near, man. What scripture I want to get? What I want to get? Let's see. Let's go to Second Ezra. All right, chapter. Let's go here. All right. Second Ezra chapter 16, verse 13. For strong is his right hand that bendeth the bow. His arrows that he shoot are sharpened, and shall not miss when they begin to be shot into the ends of the world, man. Okay? That can render Babylon the Great America vulnerable. Okay? If China, came up with this whole microwave thing, man, all right? Taking down satellites, America is basically vulnerable, man. 68,000 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. And America won't be able to see attack coming. Oh, man. It's over with. Over. So when these missiles begin to be shot to the ends of the world, man, yeah, America gonna be caught off guard anyway. It's gonna catch America by surprise. Second Ezra chapter 16, verse 14. Behold, the plagues are sent and shall not return again until they have come upon the earth. Verse 15. The fire is kindled and shall not be put out till it consume the foundation of the earth. Okay? Verse 16, like as an arrow, which is not to be nuclear missiles, which is shot up a mighty archer, returneth not backward, even so the plagues that shall be sent upon the earth shall not return again, man. So hey, America, if Moab, the so-called Chinese use this weapon, yeah, and it takes down American satellites, yeah, it's over. Let's go to, no, I don't want to go there. Let's see, let's go here. Jeremiah chapter 51 and verse 7. Babylon had been a golden cup in the Lord Yahweh Shai's hand, that made all the earth drunken. The nations have drunken of her wine, therefore the nations are mad. And they are mad, drunk off of Babylon's wine, man. Alright, the philosophies, the false doctrines of Babylon. Verse 8. Babylon is suddenly fallen and destroyed. How for her take bomb for her pain, is so she may be healed. We would have healed Babylon, but she is not healed. Forsake her, and let us go every one into his own country. For her judgment reaching unto heaven and is lifted up even to the skies, man. So hey, these nations are flexing their muscles against Babylon the Great America, man. It is what it is. These are the times that we're in. Okay? These are the times we're in, man. So I'm gonna end it here, man. I ain't intending for this lesson to be long. Okay, just want to do this little quick lesson, man. This is like I said, it was gonna be a little quick hitter, man. Okay, but you see, that can knock down satellites, man. And you know who this gonna be targeted towards? Babylon the Great America, man. Okay? So hey, Moab ain't playing. As you can see, Moab is not playing, man. Alright? I pray his lesson was edifying and straight to the point. And like I said, it's gonna be a little quick hitter, man. Okay? All praises and glorifications go see how about Shem Yahushua by Hashem Rakak Wadash. So on to the next one. Shalom to next time. Shalom. And Wild Baba Ball. Shalom.